Holly King here. Just wanted to record a quick video on how you register for Unifii. So once you've clicked this link, which you've either seen, I've either given to you or you've seen on my YouTube video, once you click this link here, it'll bring you to this page here. You scroll down and you just type in your name here and email. And click here, it will automatically bring you to this page. And I think people are getting a little bit confused here because you think that you've actually signed up for Unifii. The first step, which you did, was just sign up for the funnel. Now that we're here, if you go into sign up, here's where you can enter your stuff and secure your space in the matrix of Unifii. And then once you hit continue, it will take you through a few prompts, and you will be in my downline. So if you have any questions at all, just you can either email me or you can type a question at the bottom of the video, and I will happily get back to you. Good luck, and look forward to hearing from you.